Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you how to make this absolutely creamy, delicious crock-pot chicken spaghetti. First off, grab your favorite cooking spray and spray the bottom and the sides of your crock-pot. Next, we're adding 3 large chicken breasts that I washed beforehand. Here I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon each of black pepper and salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now once you've done that, add a 22.6 ounce can of condensed cream of chicken soup, 2 cans of original Rotel with green chilies. Add both of those cans. Do not drain either one of those. Go ahead and top it off with an 8 ounce block of cream cheese. Add your lid to the top of your crock pot and set her on high for 4 hours. Now you'll want to start checking your chicken around the 3-hour mark just to see if it's ready to shred. Mine was at this point, so I went ahead and shredded my chicken and gave it a really good stir and set my crock pot on low until I could get my spaghetti noodles cooked. Here I have a pretty large pot with some water in it, and I did add some salt to that pot as well. Now once that water comes to a full rolling boil, go ahead and add an entire package, yes, an entire 16 ounce package of spaghetti noodles. Now I use the thin spaghetti noodles because I don't really like the thick ones. Once your pasta is completed cooking, go ahead and use a spaghetti spoon or whatever you have on hand and add that pasta directly to the crock pot with your chicken sauce. Add half of an 8 ounce package of Colby-Jack cheese and 1/4 to a half of a cup of sour cream. Now give this a really good mix until well combined. Once you're well combined, go ahead and add the remaining cheese to the top. Place your lid on top of your crock pot and let that cheese melt, and then you're ready to serve. Enjoy, y'all.